everyone, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. Hey, pretty soon I am going to have enough tires out here that I can have my own obstacle course or fitness course, whatever I want to do. It's getting ridiculous. But anyway, we are going to tear apart an Fmtv rim, pull that old nasty tire off of it. It's been on there a long time. It's old, so it shouldn't be really easy. It should be fairly difficult, but we'll see. Got some good techniques to share with you. Without further gilding the lily, let's get out this tire, pull the thing off, and then let's put the nice Goodyear tread on there. Remember, folks, safety first. While it's still airing out, I can go ahead and start the process here. Next is to remove the CTIS. I know you guys are cringing. There we go. These do have Loctite on them. Hey, I just want to show you close up. Putting PB Blaster or other products on here makes it go so much faster. They are a little hot, but it's not bad. If they're not coming off and they're just sitting there spinning just a little bit, just get them maybe a third of the way and then let it cool off, and then the rest of the way. But with the PB Blaster on here, it's coming pretty good. Well, I wanted to get a video of it actually going pling. But of course, sometimes when you push the camera with a glove, it doesn't actually go. My brake rotor tool worked perfectly. There we go. I like it when a plan comes together. All right, time for a little help. This is not a bottle full of urine, although it kind of looks that way. This is hot, soapy water. So I'm hoping that this is going to accelerate the process. Provide a little bit of lubrication so that it wants to break loose. Wow, that worked fast. The following is a technique that I saw pioneered by Chad Lynch at the Great Western Fmtv Roundup. He said to crawl inside of it sort of like this and make sure to pick it straight up, because what happens is this thing gets kind of held inside there and you'll be fighting it for a long time. So just do that. You can get it out and then you can easily step out. Pull her out the rest of the way. Easy peasy, right? Oh my God! Oh, oh. All right, I'm going to show you my technique. Hey guys, check this out. All right, I dismounted. Now it's time to mount. My tool of choice, this is an 11-inch deep, 16-inch rim. I'm gonna put that other thing right on top, this part of the rim, and I think it'll be off the ground about 1 to 2 inches. I think this will work perfect. Hold on, aren't you forgetting something? All right, this is the only way I know how to get this right. You can see right inside there is the hardware for the bead lock. And right here is where the CTIS is going to go. So I want to make that opposite, so 180 degrees off. So I'm gonna put it in about right here. That is 180 degrees off. There we go. Next step, once I've got the tire stood back up, this is an 11-inch wide rim, and it is 16 inches across. So it's gonna fit up in there just right. All cleaned up, and it's ready to go on. All right, CTIS on this side. Ugh. Let me just tell you about the beauty of this tool. And on number 2, this thing is set up for 295 foot-pounds, plus or minus 25%, which sounds like a lot, and it is. But you know what? These bolts and these nuts, they get torqued to 220 foot-pounds. So 25% less, and I really didn't hammer it down all the way. That's 220 in my book. From 295 to 220, I think it's good to go. I don't even have to have a torque wrench. I got it right here. Some folks might be saying, hey man, you gotta torque it with a torque wrench. Well, hey man, I don't have a torque wrench that's like 6 feet long that goes up to 300, 400, 500 pounds. This is what I got, so this is what I gotta use. It's either that or I go ahead and go, okay, that's tight enough. All right, after everything is torqued down, especially these two and that one, the CTIS bracket on there. That O-ring looks like it's a little squashed. I think I'm going to replace that. If you've ever wondered what these little things are for, and that is to get the right one, get your little grommet thing matched up. Looks like it is a P16. Looks that way to me anyway. Of course, naturally, these things get kind of mixed up, so you have to pull them out. And I think I've got found 3 of them here that match the 2 that I need, so that's 1 extra. I'm good to go. Make sure it's seated all the way down into that groove. And then I'm going to put just a little bit of Vaseline or some chapstick on those, just to lube them up so they don't tear when they're getting tightened down. Don't booger these up too bad. They're actually meant to go against these bolts here to help prevent any wear. Now that, boys and girls, is one salvage tire. Now we're gonna have 2, yes, 2 salvage tires. And the process starts all over again. But if that's what it takes, that's what it takes. Well, folks, I think that is a wrap for today. I hope that you got a lot out of this. I know that, man, I really worked my tail off. Remember this tip: don't wear your Sunday best when you're changing tires, because you are gonna get filthy. Okay? Hey, I just want to give a shout out to Crystal, and I'm going to put her link right over here for Instagram, and I'm also going to put it in the description so that you can find her. She has been a blessing to me, and I really do appreciate the work that she's doing to help the channel out. All right, you guys, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.